If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara Michelle. Let's just jump straight into this video and see how I did my eyebrows today.
Yeah, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Let's just take a moment of silence, girl. I look a hot mess. First off, I'm just brushing my eyebrows into the way that I want them to go. Then I'm gonna take this eyebrow pencil from NYX and I'm gonna outline the bottom and the top of my eyebrows and make them meet at the very end, or you can say at the very tip. Now I'm just taking my NYX brow pomade and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with this. This color is like a dark brown, and I'm just filling in my eyebrow from the end to the very beginning with the pomade. And really, this is a very interchangeable step between using the pomade and then going back and using the eyebrow pencil to make it more defined. And you can, if you are advanced, make it more like hair strokes in the front of your eyebrow. I like to do that sometimes, but like I said, my eyebrows change day to day, week to week. I do my eyebrows a different way all the time. Now I'm just going to do the exact same steps on this eyebrow. This time I'm just going to actually speed up the video. So let's get straight to the point. Continue watching. So now I'm using this eyebrow brush by e.l.f. It's literally hanging on by a few hairs. But I love using this eyebrow brush to blend out my eyebrows in the front. I think it makes it more of a faded type of ombre look to it. And I love that type of look to your eyebrows. Then I'm just using this LA Girl Pro concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I believe this is the color Fawn. It's not too far from my skin color, just a few shades brighter than me. I don't like my concealer to look like very white and spot on. Like, you know how some people have concealer and it's just like, girl, blend it out, or like, girl, why? Like, that's old. Like, I want my eyebrows to just look clean and shaped up. I'm not trying to make them look like big stop signs or hazard. None of that. We're just going for some natural, neutral eyebrows, okay? Now I'm taking this oval brush to blend out the concealer. I absolutely love this brush because it's so little and compact, and it really just blends it out quickly. Or you can use a beauty blender, or you can use your finger. Really, it doesn't matter as long as you blend them out. Don't leave your eyebrows looking like this. This ain't the final step. You're wrong if you're doing this. You're wrong. Now I'm just gonna put on some foundation. This has nothing to do with eyebrows. I just decided to leave it in the video to show y'all like me applying my actual full face of foundation after I do my eyebrows. You can do it either before you do your foundation or you can do it after. It really just depends. I don't really have any specific order that I do my makeup. Sometimes I do my eyebrows before, sometimes I do it after. So I just wanted to keep this in, show y'all, and just in case I mess up and I need to retouch my eyebrows, like y'all see for yourself. So now you see I have to go and fix one of my eyebrows because it's just too blunt. It's not really faded how I want it to be. So it's great that I left this in the video so you can see.
I like the way you're making me feel. Come push up on me, baby, see it.